First question. During breeding season, nuptial pad is found in thumb of male frog, female frog, both of these, none of these. So frog exhibit sexual dimorphism. Male and the female are distinguishable externally only during breeding season, when male develop ruffed nuptial pads on the bases of the thumb. Nuptial pad help male in holding female a sexual embrace called ampluxus. So correct answer for this question is option A, that only male frog. Looking toward the next question. In the diagram of the section of bone tissues given below, certain parts have been indicated by alphabets. Choose the answer in which alphabets have been correctly matched with the parts which they indicate. So human compact bone is composed of parallel columns made up of concentric bony layers called lamellae organized around channels containing blood vessels, lymph vessels and nerve. So here this E, this last part is lamellae, and C is the inside central part, that is blood vessel. And this part D, with the blood vessel, we have nerves. Now the bony column are arranged in parallel to the axis of the long bones. The central canal and the surrounding lamellae are collectively known as Haversian systems. So here this F is the Haversian canal or Haversian system. So this is system first of all. Okay. Now there are certain irregular areas of the interstitial lamellae which apparently do not belong to any Haversian system and are found in between the Haversian system. Here A is the interstitial lamellae. So this part A, the between space is interstitial lamellae. Canaliculi are the small channels or ducts of tubular passages in the bone. So here G is this canaliculi. Okay, and thus the correct answer is A, interstitial lamellae. B is osteocytes in the lacuna. C, blood vessels. D, nerve. E, lamellae. F, Haversian system, and G, canaliculi. So option B is the correct answer. Looking towards the next question. Find the wrongly matched pair. So cartilage is a skeletal connective tissue under the category of specialized connective tissue. It is soft and elastic as compared to bone, contains chondrocytes and lacunae surrounded by a large amount of matrix that contains organic substances but is not intervened by blood, vessels or nerves. Areolar tissue is a regular loose connective tissue. So the correct answer is cartilage with areolar tissue. That is the wrongly matched pair. Rest all unicellular glandular cells with the goblet cells. Saliva is an endocrine gland. Fusiform fibers with a smooth muscle is correct. And intercalated disc with the cardiac tissue is also the correct. So only the wrongly matched pair among the given option is option D. That is cartilage with areolar tissue. Looking towards the next question. Epithelial cells adheres to one another with considerable force due to intercellular attraction, presence of desmosomes, both of the above and none of the above. So desmosomes are specialized adhesive protein that form link between cells and provide a connective between intermediate filaments of the cell. Cytoskeleton of the adjacent cells. Now, epithelial cells are adhered to one another by tight junctions, adhering junctions, and desmosomes. These epithelial cells are attached to a specialized form of the extracellular matrix. This extracellular matrix is called basement matrix. So, the correct answer for this question is option B, that is the presence of desmosomes. Correct answer, option B. Looking towards the last question, that RBCs of rat are. So, RBCs of rat are small, round, non-nucleated and biconcave, containing red-colored respiratory pigment, namely hemoglobin. So, correct answer for this question is option A, that is small, round, non-nucleated and biconcave. Option A.